up. I gotta try and keep this at 3 minutes because I can't manage to upload shorts. But holy shit, there's that right there. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, right there. That's the cooler that's got my steaks in there. Might have a steak later. You might ask yourself, if you don't have any power, John, how can you cook any steaks? Well, that's simple. You see, with these glass tops on these electric stoves, this comes in very handy for this exact situation. If I had the time and energy, I'd pull this thing out and put a gas stove in here. But here we go. I got a 1-pounder and an old like Coleman stove that's probably like 50 years old and it still works. But that's when they made shit good back in the day. Yeah, no, Jesus. God. But let's go over here. Oh. Do it barely push with, but we're at like 50 degrees. These plants are gonna be past. They're gonna be like, what the fuck, dude? I'm like, dude, man, sorry, dude, you know, Jesus. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's take a quick look. Let's take a... Oh, I can't even open the fucking door. Oh, shit. It's coming down heavy. Fuck. Hell yeah, man. It's coming down hardcore. I go out the back door. Back door, I can still get out that way. It's getting chilly. Gonna have to release all these little shorts once. You know. Have to lock this door because this door. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Hell yeah, dude. Well, anybody, be safe out there, people. You know what I'm saying? Peace.